Hi, this is Saif here. Today we would be seeing one interview scenario how to achieve dense rank functionality in Informatica. Now, why this question is asked because in Informatica we have a transformation called rank transformation, and you might have seen in my last video how rank transformation works with respective to SQL. So in rank transformation, sequences are skipped. So in dense rank, sequences are maintained. So that's what we are going to achieve in this scenario today. So I have this dummy data set. So the first maximum salary is 5,000, that would be ranked as 1. So there are second maximum salary as 4,000, which are 3 records. So that would be ranked as 2, 2, 2. And as the third maximum salary is 3,000, so in spite of moving to giving it as fifth in previous scenario like rank transformation, it will maintain the sequence. It will not jump, so it will maintain the next record, that is 3. That's what we'll try to achieve with Informatica. So I've already imported my source and target structures in the mapping designer. Let's start designing the mapping. I'll create a sorter transformation. In this sorter transformation, I'll sort the data on my salary. Bring in all the ports. Let's go to the salary port, mark it as key, and say descending. The maximum salary would be on top. Let's create a transformation called expression, and I'll build some conditions to achieve dense rank. Bring in the transform data, sorry, sorted data, and I'll have to have one variable port. I'm sorry for the naming convention. I'll have to have a variable port. Okay, what I'm doing, salary and data type of double. It will hold the salary. Then there will be one condition column which would be nothing but v underscore dense rank. Let's name that as dense rank as we are achieving that. Now here I'll write a small if condition, and let's try to write if. Now, if my previous salary is equals to my current salary, for my first record, this won't be true. So what I'll do is I'll increment the sequence. And if my salary is receiving the same, so what I'll do is I'll give dense rank. That's all. That's what you need to do. Nothing much more. It's done. Let's say okay. Let's copy this port. Let's say this is an output port, and bring this port in down. And let's name the follow the naming convention, and let's say this is an output port. Link this over here, bring in all the ports, save this. I've already created a session, so I'll just refresh the session, and let me check all my source target connections are given properly. This is my staging schema, this is my star schema, and I'm following a truncate and load. Let's stick with me. So let's run this workflow. Go to your monitor tool. So this is working, successfully executed, 20 records read, 20 records written. This is the data set which is coming from my source, and this is the data set in my target table. Let's execute this query. So beautiful. So if you look for the first record, so 7,500 max is my first salary, so that sequence has been assigned 1. Second max salary is 5,000, so it has been ranked as 2. Whereas in rank transformation, if you would have tried to do this here, it would have been 7, because there are 5 consecutive records for the same salary. 5 plus 1 6, and this would have been 7. If you'll see, this is the third max salary, so the third sequence is there. So that's what we wanted to achieve over here. So we wanted to maintain the sequence, and we have achieved that. So that's it for in this tutorial or in the scenario explanation. So I'll be coming up with another scenario, dense rank. We would be implementing dense rank department wise. So and as soon as my department number change, it should start from 1. That would be in the next tutorial. So if you have any questions or queries, do drop an email on smitsytechnologies@gmail.com. So this is Seth signing off for the day. Thank you. Take care.